Kubikwa ukuthi leli thimba beliqhuba umsebenzi walo ngesikhathi lihlaselwa. Amalungu alamabili asesimeni esibucayi, amabili ayelulama esibhedlela kanti umshayeli udedelwe izolo esibhedlela.
They claim that between 11 and 20 people wearing black clothes ambushed them. And it's quite clear that when they arrived, because one of their members was just coming back from a funeral, and they had to escort him home. It's a departmental funeral. And after they've dropped the member, when they were going back to their post, that's when they saw an Avanza that switched on the lights when they saw the team. And immediately after that, they came under heavy attack.
Ulisufi uthi labaqaphi bomphakathi baqeqeshelwe ukuphatha izibhamu kanti kunezingxoxo zokuthi kuthuthukiswe ukuqeqeshwa kwabo.
I'm of the view that they need to specialize either in taxi violence, they need to specialize in protecting our infrastructure. You know, we've got cable theft. They need to specialize in events. They need to specialize in crime fighting and all the related matters.
Umfowabo womunye wabaqaphi olimale kulesigameko ugxeke ongahlinzekwa ngezinsiza ezifanele zokuzivikela kwalabaqaphi.
Ngoba lo msebenzi abawenzayo ubucayi kakhulu ukuthi ungenza ioperation or wenze uhubha igebengu ungenayo into yokuyivikela wena. Ungaphetheli lutho like aba-army nje labantu laba. And ungene hostel uyosebenza hostel akuhlala ibhamu. Wena uyangena nje awuphetheli lutho. Ngoba nalokho kwenzekile ngoba vele banalo ulwazi ukuthi lapha akekho umuntu oamile mhlawumbe ungenza ukuthile.
Amaphoyisa asathungatha abasolwa.